Hi everyone, welcome to Cool Plugins. In today's video, we are going to learn how you can add the taxonomy widget to your Elementor loop grid. Well, taxonomy widget is a powerful way to control the items appearing in the loop grid. You can either filter them based on the categories or tags. So let's see how we can add it. So first you have to create a loop grid. If you don't know how to create it, we have already uploaded a video on that topic. I have provided the link in description box. You can check it out. So for the taxonomy widget, from the widget section, search the taxonomy filter and add it into your page. Okay, so in the content tab panel, there is a layout setting. Okay, so from this selected loop grid drop down, select the loop grid you want to filter. From the taxonomy drop down menu, you can choose either you want to filter by categories or tags. A menu of categories or tabs will appear in your loop grid. Okay, so when your visitors will click on particular category or tag, only the post related to that category or tag will be shown in the loop grid. Okay, so from the directions, you can select any one. Either you can select horizontal or vertical according to your preferences. Okay, so if you want to change the appearance of your taxonomy filter, then our loop grid extender plugin offers advanced options to customize it. For that, you just have to install and activate our loop grid extender plugin. Then the smart filter option will appear. Toggle on this feature. Now from the type, you get the options like drop down or checkbox that is available in the pro version. So let's see how the drop down works. For more knowledge, we have uploaded a full tutorial guide. You can check it out on our YouTube channel. So after satisfied with all the changes, you can publish your page. And now let's preview it. Let's check the working of this filter now. Okay, so as you can see, I have selected a particular category and only the post related to that has appeared on my page. So you can easily add the taxonomy filter to your loop grid.